Bam guys, welcome to another video. So today we'll be installing this intake manifold finally, and I'm going to talk about what I'm going to be doing before I set you guys up and then install it. It's pretty simple, and I definitely will say this is a little harder to install because you have to do a lot of things. You got to reach in here and everything, especially if you have bigger arms. This is going to be a pain for you. But if you got really skinny hands, then you should have no issue. But basically what I'm going to do is I got a drill here for a vacuum, so depending how many holes you guys want, I just need two more. And then to get to this last bolt back here, I have to, even for this one, I gotta like squeeze my hand all the way in there just to get this one started. But on this one, I'm gonna have to drill right in here just to get to this access to this one to tighten it down. And what I'll do later is plug it up with a bolt. So you're gonna need to do this as well, unless, like I said, if you got long arms and they're really skinny, you can reach all the way here, you should be good. But that's all you need to do with this intake. It's pretty simple, so I definitely recommend this. It's much cheaper, you know, compared to the other ones that's gonna cost you $7, $6 or something like that. So it's, if you have time in your hand, definitely do go with this, and it's been proven to handle a lot of horsepower. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and we're gonna just drill this out here and then drill into here, and then we can install this. It does come, this intake manifold does come with its own gasket when you do buy it, so that's a good part. And then for our injectors, we're not gonna install the stock ones yet because I'm not too sure what injectors I'm gonna go with, or if I'm just gonna run the stock ones just to see how well the motor sounds. But I also have to clean where I got some of the paint in here, so that's why I'm not gonna install the injectors yet, because I don't want the injectors to leak because they're not seated right due to a little bit of paint dripping in there. If you guys can, I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, so we're just gonna install this, drill back there, get everything all cleaned up. Don't want any metal pieces in here as well. And then after all this is installed, we'll talk about what's next for the motor. And bam guys, so just like that, we're done. It started raining. I'm here in Seattle. It was sunny and now it's raining, so Seattle weather. But nonetheless, it's on there. It's on there pretty good. So and like I said, we got this drilled out. I need to go to hardware store and get a bolt here to close this off, and then we can install the throttle body, which is pretty simple. I'm not sure if I need to do a video on that, but If anything, I might. And on the next video, if I didn't, you guys will see everything is installed with the throttle body, because we need to move on and actually take the motor off the engine stand and get our transmission, our flywheel installed, and get everything kind of made it on, and then transfer it to our Supra. And from there on, we'll work on harness. That's going to be the fun part. But if anything, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. There's more stuff to come. So yeah, remember, this is a good way to go. It's kind of a pain to get your hand in there, but it's cheaper, and it's been proven to handle a lot of horsepower. So yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys on our next video. Should be our clutch install, and our flywheel and clutch install, and then our 2JZ W58 bell housing install, and we'll go from there. So you guys have a good one. Be safe. Enjoy yourself.